don't want to see you twerk. Don't want money twerk. If you broke, go to work and make that big booty wet. Make that big booty wet. Do.
Where I go, I glow. Got diamonds hitting, that's for sure. Big drip, Italy, you so.
I fucked that. So, first of all, hi you guys. Welcome to. Oh my god. Ow. First of all, hi you guys. Welcome to my channel. Or welcome back to my channel. So, I did a thing a couple days ago and I dyed my hair. And let me just take this down so you guys can see what we're working with. Luckily, my curls aren't damaged, which I didn't think they would be, but this is what we're working with. So this is my hair. Now you may be like, girl, what's wrong with your hair? This, let me just get the light to shine. This is what's wrong with my hair. So I dyed it with Dark and Lovely, and it only took to the roots. The ends are still black. Like, I'll just show you guys so you guys can get a really good understanding. So as you guys can see, the roots are a pretty brown. Can you even see? The roots are a pretty brown color, and then the ends are still black. Yeah. Why did I dye my hair this color? I knew it was not gonna work. I knew it wasn't gonna work, and I still did it. And the whole time I was like, just dye your hair jet black. Just dye your hair jet black. I love when my hair is jet black. I think it looks so pretty. But I was like, no, it's summer. It's summer. It's supposed to be summer. What summer? What summer, sis? Corona done canceled that, so why would you even do this to yourself? It's above me at this point. I don't even know. So I'm gonna dye it back to black. I'm gonna dye it jet black. So I went ahead. Okay, so I went ahead and I bought 2 boxes. Let me make sure this is the right color. Okay, 2 boxes of Nutrisse Garnier. This is in the color 11. The black is black. This is what I use to dye my hair black all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this and just fix my head. Fix this mess. This is not a tutorial, honestly. This is just me talking. Its sole purpose is to entertain. So in the box, it comes with the developer. Yeah, comes with the developer. And then it comes with the hair mask and the color. All right. So first thing you want to do is read the directions, which didn't help me yesterday, but you know, it's fine. So we'll grab your gloves, whatever. You want to read the directions. Okay, done. So then we're going to go ahead and put on our gloves. Actually, we're going to put the developer in the thing first. Or mix the hair color in the developer first. I really hope this isn't like ruin my curls. This is the color, right? Okay, cool. Totally rad. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I knew this wasn't going to show up how I wanted it to, dyeing it this brown color. But I was like, I just want to be hot and cute for summer. Summer, where you at? Not existent. You're not, what's summer? What is summer at this point? Summer 2020 is not happening, so there's that. I'm going to use the last little bit of this color because we are not wasting our $6.87. No. Then you're gonna shake. Shake your sensa out. Shake your sensa. Shake. Shake your sensa out. Shake your sensa. I'm really mad about my hair. This color is so cute. Oh well, doesn't matter. Black is cute too. Hot. All right. Whew. That took a lot out of me. All right. I'm just going to section my hair with... I need some water. Gonna section my hair with this alligator clip. All right. So yeah, I'm just going to section off my hair and apply the color. Hopefully I can take the other box back. and just use the black, the one box I mean, but I feel like I'm gonna need to use both. Are you guys as depressed as I am about this summer being canceled? I keep saying it's gonna be canceled. It may not be. Like, it may be fine, you know, this whole corona thing maybe have, you know, run its course by June, July. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm not the CDC. But I just feel like I pushed a lot of things back. Like last summer I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get a tattoo. I'm gonna go out more. I'm gonna get my belly button pierced. And then I didn't do any of it. Because I was like, you know what? No. I'll just wait till next summer when I'm 21 and then I'll get my belly button pierced and then I'll get that tattoo. And now I may not even be able to do that. So I guess my point is, there truly is no better time than now to do what the heck you want to do. Upsetting though, because I just bought a bunch of summer, like cute going out summer clothes, because I don't know about y'all, but I don't go out in the winter. Like sometimes, you know, I'll step on a couple necks, make a quick appearance, but usually I don't go out in the sun in the winter. Like it's too cold here. You gotta stand in those lines. The club is just, it's not even all that great here where I live. Go out in the winter because it's like, I'm not gonna go to a club to stand. Like, I mean, what's the point? What's the point? What's the point? If there's room to dance, I'm gonna try to dance. But the thing is, I don't know about y'all, but I don't got a dog, okay? I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, there's a little bit of a bun in this oven, but, you know, it ain't a cake. It's not a cake, it's a bun. A honey bun, not a cake, you know? So, jeans is not an option for me because if I wear jeans, I'm gonna just be doing a little girl, I want to see you. I'm gonna do a little 1-2 step in jeans because I look like shaking my bun in jeans. Ain't not gonna shake. I'm gonna just be, you know, shaking the thighs. I'm gonna look a whole mess. So for me, you know, I want to wear a dress, like a cute dress, you know, or like a 2-piece or whatever. But I'm not about to be walking around in 30-degree weather in a dress. I don't go out in the winter. Like, who do I look like? Elsa? No, I'm not going out in 20-degree weather. I think not. So I have all these clothes for summer. Like to go out in the summer, and I don't even know if I'm gonna get to wear them. But it is what it is. Girl, I wanna see you twerk. Don't love money, twerk. If you broke, go to work and make that big booty wet. Make that big booty wet. My favorite dye, by the way. It's really gentle on your hair. It doesn't have ammonia in it. So pretty good. Oops. Let's get it out my wall. It smells like bleach. Make that big booty twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty wet. Ooh, ooh, pop it. I forget the words. It's been a long time since I've been out. Music is like not a thing right now. This better work. Because, which I have faith. I have faith in my Fructis. I have faith in my Garnier. I'm getting this everywhere. And when it's learned, make that big booty wet. Hey, can you do that booty? That booty? That big old booty? What y'all know about big old booties? Okay, I know a lot about big old booties because when I walk, I make the whole ground shake. And no, it's not because I'm a heavy walker. It's because my donk just be causing vibrations. It's that thick life, you know what I'm saying? Like, what can I say? Dang it, I literally have just this section left. I don't have like any more in here. I'm gonna have to open up a second bottle for just a section. Which is annoying me. I don't want to do that because I want to save the second bottle for, actually I might be able to just get it done with just this one bottle. Oh, we might be able to get away with just this one bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wow, this is a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and put a what's that called, plastic bag on my head because I don't have a shower cap, and I'm gonna let that sit for 25 minutes, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I just washed my hair. Let me show you what I used. You find it. I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo, and then to condition my hair, I just used the conditioner that came with the box dye. Now let's see. My hair feels great. I must say, my hair feels super, super soft. I love it. This is just so pretty. I love black hair. Why would I try to do the brown? So pretty. As you guys can see, my curls, they're so good. No damage. Excuse my chest. I don't know why my chest is so itchy, but it's all red. But it feels good. Doesn't feel dry. The Dark and Lovely felt so dry, you guys. It doesn't feel dry at all. Feels cool. Feels normal. Now I will say I can kind of see in like some spots. I don't know if you guys can see if the lights in the camera is picking it up, but I can see in some spots that at the top there's still a little bit of brown from the old color, which I kind of expected because I wasn't trying to open up another bottle to oversaturate. So it's what it is, but I'll probably do a touch up in like 2 months anyway, so I'm not really stressed out about it. But yeah, it looks great. I love it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just moisturize my hair and then put it in two French braids and leave it in 2 French braids for a couple days, just to kind of give my hair a chance to rest and not really have to do anything with it for a couple days. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video kept you entertained during your self-isolation, is that what it's called? Social distancing, whatever. Yeah, hope this video kept you entertained during that process. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. All right, I'm done. See you in my next video. Bye.